Hi guys, welcome to Gadgets 360 box. Yahi Fingerprint Lock. Dr. Chen is a careless scientist. He has many treasures to lock up. He bought a key, but he often loses his key. However, he was agonizing that he bought the password lock, but he forgot his password. In order to get more people no longer has the annoyance like him, so he studied the fingerprint padlock which don't need the key and don't worry to forget the password. And the fingerprint padlock is your key, and you just use your fingerprint to unlock it. Yahi Fingerprint Lock features 1-second fingerprint unlock 360-degree quick recognition technology support to identify your fingerprint quickly, not more waste time to think about the password or find your keys anywhere. Cutting-edge fingerprint technology, capacitive scanner technology, advanced Type-C input, high penetration and excellent recognition, just 1-second unlock with your fingerprint. Also, the fingerprint padlock has 360 degrees fingerprint collection. You can open the lock with different directions. Safety: the fingerprint lock is made of zinc alloy metal and high-toughness steel wire. All zinc alloy body with seamless joint prevents erosion, hitting and prying. High-quality tough steel wire prevents cutting by violence, much effective to help you to protect your personal belongings safely and reliably. Small and exquisite, only 60 grams, product size is 60 into 22 into 90 millimeters. Small as a lipstick, convenient to carry and use outdoor or indoor, waterproof, no worry about the rain. It widely uses in suitcases, golf bags, handbags, school bags, cabinets, travel, school, gym, furniture, wardrobe, bike or others. TouchJet Wave. Turn any flat-screen TV up to 65-inch into a giant Android tablet and interactive whiteboard using Pen Touch. Now you can work and play together using the Android apps you love. Your smart device becomes an interactive remote control for the Wave Plus Lily and also doubles as a microphone, touchpad, keyboard, and for media sharing. Using the pre-installed TouchJet Present app to host meetings, share annotations and collaborate and review more easily as a team. Affordable solution for the meeting room and classroom. Save thousands of dollars. Presenting the future of meeting rooms, classrooms and more. The TouchJet unified collaboration platform transforms flat-screen TVs into a giant tablet or interactive whiteboard. Now you can work and play together using the Android apps you love with the Wave Plus Lily using Pen Touch. Transform your flat-screen TV into a giant tablet with the TouchJet Wave and Lily using Pen Touch. With built-in Wi-Fi, Android OS, and TouchJet's touch technology, you can download Android apps directly onto the Wave using Pen Touch. Download the TouchJet mobile app to your smartphone or tablet, iOS or Android. Your device becomes an interactive remote control and also doubles as a microphone, touchpad, keyboard and for media sharing. Have access to your presentations and the ability to deliver them via the cloud with the TouchJet Present app. Host meetings, share annotations and collaborate and review more easily as a team via automated meeting reports. Human Headphone. It is designed to be worn through your day, delivering powerful sound and superior voice experience. 3-in-1 design includes over-the-ear quality with the convenience of earbuds that snaps into a portable Bluetooth speaker. Easily snap human headphones together into a portable Bluetooth speaker and share music, phones, calls and translate up to 11 languages with speaker mode. Secure and comfortable fit, designed to be worn throughout your day. Design allows up to 9 hours of continuous battery life on a single charge. Keep your phone in your pocket with intuitive touch and voice controls. Touch gesture controls including play, pause, next or last song, volume or invoke a digital assistant. Innovative form factor supports optimized spacing for beamforming microphones, enabling superior voice capture even in noisy environments. Blend in outside sounds with your music for greater awareness. Get the most from your human headphones through the Human app, including translation, blend and speaker mode. Allow you quick and easy access to your phone's native digital assistant. Accurately captures your voice, not the noise around you. Go from a personal listening experience to sharing a playlist with others with speaker mode. Answer incoming calls with a simple tap and enjoy great quality voice capture wherever you are. Human headphones deliver the most popular digital assistants in one tiny package. Translate up to 11 languages individually, in conversation or with a larger group. Mon Ed Easy Chair. The Monet Easy Chair by Best Before 2065 shape shifts to suits your needs. Communication and Design Studio. Best Before 2065 presents its Monet Easy Chair, customized for reading and relaxing at home. The furniture is thought to give you the feeling of a soft embrace, providing you with the maximum freedom of movement at the same time. On Monet, as on a meadow, you're free to lay or to sit in your favorite position while staying in between the soft stems of the chair. Best Before 2065 made sure the user has the freedom to move, turn or remove every single pillow, always finding the desired position and creating a new seat. Monet is entirely manufactured in the Brianza area of Italy by qualified artisans. It is dotted of pillow linings made of 100% polyester fabric, which is both removable and washable. Concerning the base, it is made out of MDF and covered in a soft vinyl fabric with antimicrobial and anti-acarus treatment. As a result, this provides a durable hygienic freshness. Cup cooler. Do you always forget about your chilled drink that's on the desk, or do you like to savor your chilled drink slowly? Cup cooler keeps your drink cold till the last sip the entire time. Now you don't have to rush to finish your drink. Ice cubes dilute the flavor of your drink. With the help of Cup Cooler, no more ice cubes are needed. Cup Cooler is a smart device that cools down and keeps your drink cold till the last sip. With a focus to set a different standard, the Cup Cooler is unlike any other beverage cooling devices currently in the market. Requiring no pre-preparation at all, the Cup Cooler is 6 multiply faster than the fridge in cooling your drink. Just plug into your wall socket and wait 60 seconds for the surface plate to cool down to -18 degrees Celsius. This will make your drink to cool down from 25 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes or to 10 degrees Celsius in 30 minutes. No complicated preparation needed. Compatible with most of the soft drink cans and beer bottles in the market. Simply plug it in, put your beverage on the device, and it turns it into a satisfying cold drink. Link Flip Shoe. Experience flip shoes for the first time in history. An innovative shoe patents. Sole-based shoes. Link is free like a flip-flop, safe as a shoe, a new species of shoe perfect for your intensive urban life. Why settle for ordinary shoes or flip-flops when you can have them both rolled into one? Link is a flip shoe, a whole new category of footwear with an unprecedented walking experience. Sustainable, fair and vegan, these are the principles on which Link is based. They are proud to present you with a revolutionary flip shoe, the perfect vegan alternative to any other shoe. No more toes smashing into unexpected obstacles. With Link, your feet are protected. Link is the ultimate flip shoe. Ideally suited to the joint structure of the foot, Link offers comfort your feet will thank you for. Link will provide you with maximum ventilation while supporting your feet without giving up simplicity or comfort. Bondic Fiberfix. Bondic is a liquid plastic welder that bonds two items together with the help of a UV light, allowing for repairs and fixes that normal glue cannot keep up with. Don't throw it away. Repair it and create your bonds in under 5 seconds. Incredible adhesive when fully cured, Bondic is 100% waterproof, heat-resistant, and non-toxic. Dries clear and can be sanded or painted after it hardens to customize any project. Quick repairs and easy to operate. The incorporated LED UV light has an easy press button, and when the liquid is exposed to the UV light, it cures in seconds to form a permanent bond. Better than super glue, Bondic is not glue, and the no-solvent liquid formula only hardens when UV light is applied, which prevents the hassle of removing hardened glue and means there is no chance of it drying up in the container. Bond, build, fix and fill almost anything used. Bondic on plastic, wood, metal, PVC, steel, rubber, wiring, ceramic, figurines, vinyl, Kevlar, polypropylene, leather and so much more to fix ends of phone chargers, children's broken toys, jewelry, glasses, or your favorite pair of heels. Complete starter kit includes everything needed to start fixing. Handheld applicator, LED UV light, and 4-gram tube of liquid adhesive, all held in a handy metal case.